Hello friends, welcome back to my another video, and in today's video we are again going to study about our class 11 maths chapter number 1 set. And in today's video the topic to cover that we will cover the topic are gonna power set, universal set, Venn diagram, union of set, intersection of set, difference of set, and last topic will be complement of set. And after that we will be finished with our video, and in the next video we will start to do all the question and answer or as exercise of class of the from the book. So let's start. First of all, we will talk about power of set. As you have remember, yeah, in last video power of set. In last video we have discussed about the subset. Okay, so what was subset? Subset was a part like of a set like A, B, C, D, E, and we'll name this set as say that Z. So if there is a set Y which is having A, B, C, we can say that Y is a subset of Z, and the sign that we use for subset was kind of this, means Y is subset of Z, means it is a part of a Z. Okay, so today we are going to study out power set. Okay, not power of set but instead power set. Okay, now say we are having two sets. One is set A and it is having 1, 2, 3, and second is set T and it is the power set of A. Now how we will form it? Okay, power set of A means it will be having all the elements that is present in A and all the combination that can be there. Okay, on the page number or from old book, page number 11, no, not 11 but 12, there is the definition given: the collection of all subset of a set A is called power set. Okay, collection of all subset of A is a set. A subset, let's say B, will be 1, 2. Another subset, let's say C, will be 2, 3. Another subset, let's say D, could be 1, 3. Okay, not these only 3, but there can be more. Like let's say E, it will only be having 1. F, it will only be having 2, and G, it will only be having 3. So with only 3 elements of set A, we will get about 6 different subset. First will be 1, 2, second will be 2, 3, third will be 1, 3, fourth will be only 1, fifth is only 2, and sixth is only 3. So from one set which is having 3 elements, we will get 6 different type of subset. So what is power set? As the definition suggests, that the collection of all subset of a set A, collection of all subset of a set A is called power set. So what we have to do, that we have to write all those 6 subset in the power set of A. We will represent power set like this: power set of A. So the set will become 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the other 3 subset, that will be 1, 2. This will be one element. This will be considered as one element. 1, 2. Then 1, 3. This will be considered as other element, and last one will be 2, 3. So this will become our power set of A. Okay, this will become our power set of A. It will be having in total 6 elements, 1, 2, 3, then 1 and 2, then 1 and 3, and in final 2 and 3. This is power set. Now we'll talk about universal set. Okay, as the name suggests, universal means the biggest set possible. Universal set, the biggest set possible. Now what is universal set? Let's say that we the most used example that we take is of natural numbers, right? Like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's name it A. This is a one set. Then if we see like B, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is our other set. Oh, okay. Now these both, there is one thing common in these both set, that all the number that we have represented in it is a natural number. So if we have to write universal set, okay, if we have to write universal set of A and B, A slash or B, then it will be all the natural number. It will be all the natural number. Okay, the natural number will be the universal set of set A and set B. Okay, because this set of the natural number, which is 1 to infinity, have these set in between them. So A and B is the subset of the natural number set or the universal set. Okay, now let's come to the next topic, which is Venn diagram. This is the representation. Okay, Venn diagram is the help in representing the set, power set, subset, and universal set. Okay, so topic is Venn diagram. Now how we form it? First of all, we have to make a rectangle. This rectangle represents universal set. This rectangle represents universal set. And now if we have to if we talk about the universal set, let us take it as natural numbers. Okay, now we are having again two set A, which is having element 1, 2, 3, 4, right, and another set B, which is having element 5, 6, 7, 8. We are having these two sets. This is whole universal set, which is from 1 to infinity. Okay, this is natural universal set of natural numbers. So, and we are having two sets A and B. Now their element are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? If we have to plot them in this rectangle, we will make a circle. In Venn diagram, we use a circle. This is of set A, which is having 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we will draw other circle, which is set B, which is having 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, these two will become a set. Okay, a set of the subset of the universal set, and we will represent them by this. Okay, by the circle. Now if we talk about after 8 it is still infinity, so the rest of the place that is left will be considered as 9 to infinity. Okay, the rest of the place that is outside of that circle will be considered as 9 to infinity. Now this was topic of Venn diagram, and we will use this in further topics like intersection or union, etc., etc. Now Next topic. Next topic is union of set. Okay, next topic is union of set. Now what is union of set? Union, as the name suggests, like they are coming together. Okay, in the class 11th, class 10th SST chapter, there was a term coming together, right, in which represent that when the state, small state or country come together and make a union, means when people or something make a group is called as union. So same goes here. Let's take another same a set A, which is having 1 2 3 4, and set B, which is having 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now if we talk about the union of the set, means everything present in these two set will come together. Okay, everything present in these two set will come together and will make a third set, which will be said as A union B. This is the sign of union, like a U. This is a sign of union, and this will make a new set, which is 1 2 3 4 and 5. The 5 will get added in this new set, which is called as A union B. Okay, so this was union of set. Now there are some properties. uh, there are some properties for the union of set, and those properties help us to solve the equation, solve the problem very fast, accurately. So now I'm going to write those property on the board. So here are four main properties of union of set. First is A union B is equal to B union A. It is the same as commutative property. It is same as like 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1. They both are same. Then we come across with A union B bracket close union C is equal to A union B bracket B union C bracket close. It is the same as associative property, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 bracket is equal to 1 plus 2 bracket plus 3. These are same goes with these properties of union of set. Then come A union phi, as I earlier in the last video told you, that phi is represented by as an empty set. Okay, phi is a part of every set, every subset, every union, every power. Okay, power set. Then come U union A is always U. A union phi. A union phi is A because it is empty. Nothing is there to add on in the A. And the fourth and last property is U union A is always U. Why? As we all know that U is the greater term. Okay, right? Like we talk about natural numbers. And we have a set A which is having 1, 2 and 3. So A is smaller than whole natural number set. Okay, whole natural number set. A is smaller than whole natural number set. So that's why there is nothing to add on in this universal set by the A. Universal set is already having all that things that is having it with it. Like for example, if you already know about a topic, like if you already know about the chapter set, okay, and someone start to teach you, you can recall it. You may revise, but you can still recall and tell the answer frequently, or tell the person who is teaching you that you know, or change the chapter. Same goes with here. Natural set already have these elements which is carried by A, so it will not add any value to it. Okay, so this was all the topic of union of set. Now next topic, which is next topic is intersection. intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Now, what is intersection? As the name suggests, that something two are intersecting with each other or not. So we will study this first with Venn diagram. So this is our rectangle. No, it's not our rectangle. We'll try to make more accurate rectangle. Much better. This is our rectangle, and rectangle is considered as universal set. Now we are having say two sets, set A and set B. Set A and set B. These two sets are having some elements that are common with each other, that are common in both. Set A and set B are having some elements that are common with both. Like, for example, let's take the rectangle universal set of natural numbers, and set A is having 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 element, and set B is having just say 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 as elements. So now see, which all number can you see common between them? The number that we can see common between them is 6, right? Then 8, yes, and in last we have 10. Yes, these three numbers are common between set A and set B. So when we take out these three numbers and create a new set, we will call the that set as intersection of set A and set B, and we write the new set as A intersection B, and it will become 6, 8 and 10. This will become our new set, that is called as A intersection B. Now union, okay, union of set having symbol is an upward U. Okay, it is like an upward U, whereas intersection of set is having a symbol like downward U. Okay, so union is having upward U, intersection is having downward U. Right? So this was the topic of intersection of set A and B, not intersection of set. So this was our U, here is our set A and here is our set B. Now in set B we are having element 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, whereas in set A we are having element of 5 to 10. Okay, I am writing in short. We are having element 5 to 10, whereas in the intersection we saw the both the circles are coinciding with each other. So in the intersection we have three elements which are 6, 8 and 10. Why we are having these three elements? Because only these three elements are common in between A and B. Okay, only these three elements are common in between A and B. So this is the whole topic of intersection of sets. Now there are some other properties of intersection of set. I'll write them and then we'll continue. Now these are some properties of intersection of set. First property is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, similar as the union of the set. Why? Because we can say that 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1. Then comes A intersection B, bracket close, intersection C, which will be equal to A intersection bracket B intersection C bracket close, same as union of set. Then third comes phi intersection A is phi again empty set, it is denoted to empty set. Now in the union of set, A union phi was A. Okay, but here union phi union A is phi. Why is this phi? Why? Rhyming. So why is this? Because in union we talk about adding all the elements. Okay, adding all elements in single set. Okay, we add all elements in single set from different set, like set A, set B. The set A and union of set A and B will be set A union set B. Okay, so in union we add all the elements but do not repeat the same elements. We add all the elements but do not repeat the same elements. But in intersection we you can say remove. Okay, remove we remove all the uncommon. We remove uncommon element. We remove uncommon element from the new set. Okay, we remove the uncommon, and here there is nothing common except phi. Phi means let's take a set A. Okay, set A is having 1, 2, 3 and 4, and let's take set B. No, set phi. Okay, or else we will get confused. Set phi, which is having only and only one element, which is nothing or phi, empty or phi. Now there is nothing common between them, or we can say that because phi is a part of every set, so we can say that set A is also having a phi, set B is also having a phi. Rather than this phi, set A and set phi does not have any other element. So we will say that A intersection phi or phi intersection A will give us phi. Okay, A intersection phi will give us phi, or phi intersection A will give us phi. So this was the third property. The next property is U union A. U intersection A is A. U intersection A is A. In the last one, the union of set, we studied that U union A will be will be universal, means it will be U. In union, we studied U union A is union, but in intersection, we studied U intersect A will be A. Now, why this so? In union, we talk that we add all the elements but do not repeat. So union is bigger number of than A. Union is bigger term than A, so it will be carrying already all the elements that will be carried by A. So it will have the set that will get created will be universal set itself, because none other set will be greater than it. So it will not having any element that will add in it. Okay, but in case of intersection, we are talking about to remove uncommon. Okay, to remove uncommon, let's take an example. Like if we talk about union, we are having a universal set of let's say integer. Okay, universal set of integer. So in that we will be having from minus infinity to infinity, positive infinity. Okay, this will be our set of union. And if we talk about A, we will let's suppose we will take minus 10, we will take minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2 and 4. So in between minus infinity to till infinity we will be having these numbers. Okay, so if we gonna add or unite, okay, u with a, we will get again from minus infinity to infinity. Okay, why this so? Because it's common that common sense that minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2 and 4 come in between minus infinity and till infinity. So if we will add a in u, it will again come in between in minus infinity and infinity. Okay, so nothing more will be added to it. This is not the case that we will add minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, minus 4 will be added to this set. No, this is wrong. Only the universal set will be written as it is, because A is a subset of universal set. But in case of intersection, we are talking about the common number. So if we take u set as integer only, so we will be having from minus infinity till infinity, right? But we are talking, and the other set will be the same, like minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2 and minus 4, right? So here we are talking about the common numbers between u and a. So the common number between